Hinduism. Sanatan Dharma historically means the eternal obligations religiously decreed in Hinduism, such as honesty, refraining from damaging living beings, ahimsa, purity, benevolence, mercy, patience, forbearance, self-restraint, generosity, and asceticism. As argued by Kim Knott and Brian Hatcher, Sanatan Dharma means eternal, timeless truths, which is how Hindus see the beginnings of their faith. The earliest Sanskrit scriptures discriminate between Vaidika, Vaishnava, Shaiv, Shakta, Saura, Buddhist, and Jain schools. The Hindu religion does not believe in or worship any one god. It does not follow any one act of religious rites or performances. It does not satisfy the typical features of a religion or faith. Indologist Alexis Sanderson believes that when Islam arrived in India, the Sanskrit texts had defined 5 traditions, including Vaidika, Vaishnava, Saiva, Sakta, Saura, and Buddhist, but had no aggregate term for the first 5. In the continued process of regionalization, 2 religious innovations were introduced in the Hindu religions: the development of sects and a historicization that anticipated later nationalism. The 4 purposes of human life taught in Hinduism are known as Purusarthas. The concept of God depends on each individual and the philosophy and religion practiced. The Hindus think that knowing these everlasting truths strengthens their heritage. The word Hindu culture is a catch-all term that applies to various cultural characteristics that connect to the religion, such as festivals and clothing norms that the Hindus follow. The ancient Hindu calendars continue to be used by Hindus all over the world to designate festival dates. The ancient Jain traditions have observed the same lunisolar calendar for festivals, scriptures, and inscriptions. Hinduism's 4 major paths are Bhakti Yoga, the road of love and devotion; Karma Yoga, the path of ethical action; Raja Yoga, the path of meditation; and Jnana Yoga, the path of wisdom. Each person has his or her own preferences when it comes to yoga. To honor higher forms of life, a large number of Hindus go vegetarian. For 2000 years, Hinduism has lived alongside religious developments on the Indian subcontinent, while traditions reaching back to Bronze Age faiths such as those of the Indus Valley Civilization emerged. The pre-Vedic period, which encompasses the Indus Valley Civilization and local prehistoric religions, ends around 1750 BCE. It is widely recognized that, unlike ethnic faiths, such as Shintoism in Japan, Taoism in China, or Judaism in Israel, Hinduism in India and Nepal is prevalent in both Indo-Aryan and non-Aryan ethnic groups.